Hi, I'm Janice. This is Beauty Evolution, and I'm here to get transformed into Tessa Thompson. If I met Tessa Thompson, I think I would say thank you for being a role model to women around the world. She really carries any look, and I think that shows in like her work as an actor as well, is that she can go from like a character whose hair is really curly and crazy and wears vibrant colors to a character that is really serious and intense and wears like these sort of muted tones, and it works every time. Before we get into the transformation, don't forget to subscribe below. This first look is as Charlotte Hale in Westworld. Her makeup is natural with a minimal base and nude lip. Her bob is parted to the side and curled lightly. Try it. Oh my God. The next look is from a 2019 Men in Black photo shoot. Her hair is parted in the middle and slicked into a low bun. She wears a smoky eye with cat eyeliner. Her lips are a pinky nude shade with light gloss. Oh my God, this is wild. This is so crazy. Wait, I love this actually. Finally, her 2019 Met Gala look. Her hair is slicked back into a latex ponytail attachment. Her eyes are smoky with a brownish red layer on top. Her blush is a similar shade and goes from her cheeks to her hairline. Her lips are a matte pink. Okay. I'm really nervous about this one. Okay. Oh my god, you guys are insane. This looks crazy. I can't believe she actually wore this to an event. This is insane. Oh my god, my hair looks painted on right now. As someone who studied acting myself, it's really empowering to see someone who actually, you know, gets cast in all these in a variety of roles. She gets to be this powerful female force, and she gets to sort of own her space as a woman and as a woman of color is really empowering. Thanks so much for watching me get transformed into Tessa Thompson. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.